March 4th is a day that holds exceptional significance in the annals of world history. It's a day that saw the birth of a revolutionary compact disc and the inauguration of a president who left an indelible mark on America. This story will unfold the importance of March 4th and its notable events that shaped the world. Our tale begins in Japan, in the year 1983. On this day, something extraordinary happened that would revolutionize how people listened to music for the decades to come. Sony and Philips jointly launched the first ever compact disc, CD. This was the start of a digital audio revolution, replacing the analog cassette tapes and records. It allowed people to enjoy a higher quality of sound and portability, marking a major advancement in the field of music technology. Moving a century back, on March 4, 1889, an event which changed America's political landscape took place. An extraordinary man, Benjamin Harrison, was inaugurated as the 23rd President of the United States of America. His victory in a close election against the incumbent president, Grover Cleveland, was regarded as an astonishing event on its own. During his presidency, Harrison advocated for civil rights and education for African Americans and even supported voting rights for women, which was a quite progressive approach for those times. His contribution to civil rights was noteworthy, and he positioned himself in the pages of history as a champion for equality. On the same day, but again a century earlier, another critical event took place that shaped the course of the American Revolution. On March 4, 1789, the first session of the United States Congress was held under the newly adopted Constitution in New York City. This event marked the beginning of the United States federal government as we know it today. These historical events of March 4th hold an immense learning value for children. Firstly, the launch of the CD teaches us about the profound impact of technology and innovation on our lives. Without such advancements, we wouldn't have the superior audio and digital platforms we enjoy today. Secondly, the inauguration of Benjamin Harrison is a reminder of the power of one's belief and determination to usher in a change. His pioneering role in advocating civil rights and education illuminates the importance of standing up for justice and equality. Lastly, the first session of the U.S. Congress underlines the significance of unity, cooperation, and Constitution.